Adding your business to Google Maps is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First, open your Google Maps application. On the top of the screen, you will see the sections: home, restaurants, hotels, etc. You can easily find whatever you want. For example, if you're looking for restaurants, simply click on Restaurants and you will find various options. At the bottom of the screen, you will find buttons for Explore, Go, Saved, Contribute, and Updates. From here, click on Contribute. On the next page, you will see options to edit the map, add a place, write a review, and add a photo. Through these actions, you can contribute information about locations you've recently visited. Now, click on Add Place. On the next screen, you will see the Add a Place page. And at the top, it states that you can add your business to Google for free. You need to provide details about your place here, including some information. If this place is added to Google Maps, it will be publicly visible. In the name section, write the name of your business. For instance, I'll use One School. Next, choose a category from the options. I will select Services and then Home Builder. After that, add the address you want to include. You can click on Edit Map Location, and it will be automatically picked. Specify the category of its location by writing the area where it is situated. Then, select the opening and closing hours. The next step is to add a photo. Click on Add a Photo and upload pictures of your business. Provide contact details, such as your mobile number, in the given box. You can also include a website link for further contact. Additionally, you have the option to fill out the About section. After completing these steps, review your form carefully and reread each section. Finally, click on Submit. You will see a message thanking you for sharing and helping others on Google Maps. This demonstrates how easy it is to add your business to Google Maps.